Hangouts window. I will wait till it says live over there. Let me see. We'll just patiently wait. Okay, what are you growling about, Paris? You need food, don't you? Poor baby. Food that you want to knock out of your dish. I know you. Well, is it going to ever start? That part's not giving me a problem. It's the actual... Let me just refresh. Okay, now it says live. I just refreshed it is all. Okay, so it was on that whole time because I just heard Paris growling. Okay, all right, so I'll wait till my husband's finished. Okay, he had to put some dog food in the dog dish. Okay, so welcome back to Glama's Beauty and Fitness Journal. This is journal entry number 29, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video in this channel. I've just been really busy with my Facebook group page and my Made with Love by Glama Crochet channel and other stuff that I've had going on. Family things happening and just all kinds of stuff. So I am going to do an unboxing, and it's an old one, but I've been dying to see what's in my Beauty Box 5. I don't even remember which month it is. It's March. It's March right now, but I think the box... My husband keeps interrupting me. Sorry. So I think this might be either January or February's unboxing. I'm not sure. We'll find out in a minute. Let's see. Let me see. I love getting little makeup presents. Yes, I do. I need to do these little live events privately so that I don't get interrupted and so that I don't get nervous and stuff. Okay, it's February's unboxing. So this is February's unboxing. February 2015. And let's see if I can read it. I always do this, don't I, guys? I always come on here without my glasses on. Darn it. Okay, so it says, when it comes to our year, February might just... Uh-oh, is mine still live? February might just take the... Babe, can you make her stop? Might just take the cake, literally. This month, we're turning 3. Yippee! Oh, so Beauty Box 5 has only been on or been going on for like 3 years. Awesome. And we couldn't have done it without you, you dear subscriber. So how to celebrate our birthday? Marvelous. So, yeah, okay. I'm having problems reading. I do know how to read. Marvelous makeup and superb skincare, of course. Ooh, I want to start over because it's like I don't know how to read. Okay, let me try it again. Take 2. When it comes to our year, February might just take the cake, literally. The month, I still can't read. This month we're turning 3. Yippee! And we couldn't have done it without you, dear subscriber. So how to celebrate our birthday? Marvelous makeup and superb skincare, of course. We're so happy you joined the party now. Throw some confetti and dig in. Okay, confetti, where's the confetti? Here's the confetti, yay! So this is what the box looks like. Ooh, I see nail polish. Beauty Box 5, it's a $20 gift card. Woohoo! A $20 gift card to where? Let me read it. $20 gift card at Your Minerals, I guess. Wow, redeem your gift card at yourminerals.com. Woohoo! That's a treat in itself. Awesome. And then you always get this little card here. It tells you little things that you can do online to like win extra stuff or something. Okay, woohoo! I see a beautiful red nail polish already. Yay! Look at that. It's so deep and red and rich looking. It's from Revlon, and it's color 130, and it's velvet rope. Can you see that? Velvet Rope. Pretty full. Yay. Let me see what it looks like. I want to try it on one of my fingers. Let's try it on my pinky. Let's try it on the pinky. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't have my glasses on, so I hope it's not all over my skin. Ooh, and that's only one coat. Usually the colors get really pretty with a second coat. So that's with one coat. When it dries, I'll put on a second coat. Oh, I put it on my funky pinky. I used to pop my pinky when I was a little girl. I would just sit there and pop, 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 just listen to it pop, and now it's misshapen compared to my other one. You see, it's fatter and shorter. I'll let it dry. But yeah, that's a treat. I love how when they give us nail polishes, it's always a full-size bottle, obviously. But a lot of the other stuff are usually, what's the word I'm looking for? Why can't I think? What's the word when they just, a sample size. I was going to say, what's the word when they give you a sample size? That's the word, sample size. Okay, and now what's this? Man, Glama is out of it. I can't, you know what? There's supposed to be a card that tells you what everything is. Okay. So the nail polish by Revlon, it retails for $3.99. And this little baby that I'm trying to open is a big color eye pencil that retails for $3.49, and it's from Avon. Let's see what color we've got going on. White is not a good color to wear on camera right now because it's like washing me completely out. Okay, it's an eye color. See? And it's by Avon. Can you see? Here's the light washing it out. No, I do. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's like a champagne color. Let me see if I can do a little swatch. Ooh, it's so buttery soft too. Oh, you probably can't. You can kind of see it right there, but it's so pretty. It would look really pretty like on the inner corners of your eyes or something. Nice. And that's a full size too. Yay. Oh, and my daughter gets Beauty Box 5 too. And she didn't want her little thingy like this. It's called Absolute New York. It's a lip balm, and it's in the flavor bubblegum, and it retails for $5. And she gave me hers, and I've been using hers. I didn't know that I was going to get the exact same thing, but it is so nice and buttery soft on your lips, and it makes your lips so soft. But it just has such, see, you can already see it's got such a nice, well, you can't see it, but even just putting your finger in it and just going like that, it's just so soft. And it just makes your lips so shiny and pretty and soft. So yay! Okay, so like I said, this retails for $5 as well. And what's this? Marsk. It's from Sydney, London. What is it though? Vanilla Frosty Mineral Eyeshadow. That's what it is. It's an eyeshadow. See? See if I can hold it up and hold it there long enough for you to read it. Yeah. So they're kind of, it's like a champagne color as well. Ooh. It's really cute. It's like, hold on a second. Trying to take the little thingy off. Maybe it's not supposed to come off. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's supposed to, you're supposed to leave it on. It's got the little holes for it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. Can you see it, or is it too bright? But it's really powder soft. And you know what? I think this has tape on it. The tape has to come off of this little puppy. Yeah, I think this has like a little lid on it so that you can just, how do you take it off? There it is. It's coming. Okay. So this little baby here, it's like a little salt shaker thing. It's got the little holes. So you take that little paper off and you put this back on. Or I guess I didn't have to take it all off to begin with. But anyway, so that the little eyeshadow powder comes up through there, and you just put your little brush on and dab it on. It's so pretty. It looks really kind of glittery too. Yeah, you can kind of see it on my finger. Let me see if you can. Can you see it on my finger? Kind of. It's nice. Let me see if I can try it on my hand. No, it's not showing up. Anyway, I'm talking to myself very quietly, aren't I? Sorry. So that's what's in my box. There's one more item because there's always 5 things. That's why it's called Beauty Box 5. So it's Freeman Beautiful Body Cucumber Melon and Ginseng Lathering Body Wash. Woohoo! Bet you it smells good. And here's the confetti they wanted me to throw up, so let's just throw it up. Well, that was fun. Now I got to clean it up, though. So here's all my stuff. Let me put it back in the box so I can show you all my stuff. Yay. So I love Beauty Box 5. If you guys have never tried it, you've got to try it because I actually thought I had gotten my last box already. And so when this one came, here, I'll hold it down. So when this one actually came in the mail, I was so excited thinking, oh my word, I didn't know I was getting another box. Yay. There, can you see? Oh, well, you get the gist of it. All right, so that's pretty much all I'm going to do for this little video. Is I just wanted to hurry up and get this done because I've been waiting for a while to see what was in it. Oh, I said I was going to try another coat of the red, didn't I? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, my hair is all too much party confetti. All right. You're so cheesy, Glama. Let me see what it looks like with the second coat. And then it'll look even prettier with a top coat because top coats make such a difference in the shininess. So that's with the second coat. Let's make it less red, less bright. So that's really pretty. I like it. I should just paint my nails in this color, all my nails in this color because I'm going to be doing a crochet tutorial soon here. Oh, maybe today. I mean, not today, maybe tomorrow or the next day because I have to do a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hat that I've been promising everyone. And I still have not done it, and I need to. Alrighty, so that's that. And I will take a picture for the thumbnail. And, okay, that's it. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me here at Glama's Beauty and Fitness. And like I said, this is journal entry number 29. And I promise to start doing more makeup tutorials and stuff. Like I said, I've been really busy. And I've been dying to talk to y'all and to make more tutorials, and I've been getting requests for things, but I have to just make time. I have to just do it. I have to just make time, right? Just push everything else aside and do it. Today, you probably can't see the makeup that I'm wearing. I've got what eyeshadow am I wearing? BH Cosmetics eyeshadow. It's like a shimmery brown over here, and I've got like a shimmery charcoal on the outer corners, and I just blended it in with that was hard to say. I just blended it in with like a champagne color right there. And oh, and I have blue. You can't really tell, but it came in my last Beauty Box 5 box. It was a blue eyeliner that I used on the inside and on the outside right here, but you probably can't tell, like I said. Let me see. Can you tell? No. Anyway, so I did like a little cat eye with the blue, and then I got some glitter by Hard Candy. It's those little white containers that slide open, and I got a little makeup eyeliner brush, and I put glitter all under here. I don't know if you can see it. All on the under the bottom lash line there, and then I put it on the inner corner, and then I even put it on top of the blue eyeliner on the cat eye part. So that's what I have on. And let me see, and I'm using BH Cosmetics concealer and Hard Candy bronzer, and I contoured my cheekbones with the BH Cosmetic Brow Bar. It's a trio, and I use the middle color for contouring as well as for filling in my eyebrows. And let me see, what else did I do today? I'm trying to think. I used highlighter. No, I used concealer here and here and here and here, and I put a little bit right here. And the reason you do that, I'll make a video about this, but these are just little things that I'm learning, is that if you're going to contour your cheekbones, so contouring makes it darker, and so to make it look even more contoured, you put a little white right there so that it makes it look more like that. So yeah, I've been meaning to do a tutorial on where to contour and stuff, because I know that when I first started learning about stuff about 7-8 months ago, I didn't even know where to contour, where to highlight, or anything. I didn't know anything about it. Oh, and I did contour my nose a teeny bit, not much. I just used bronzer for that. And I noticed I did it a little crooked, but oh well. Makes it look like I have a crooked nose. All right, guys, so I'm going to quit while I'm ahead because my brain is just not working right. And yeah, so if you haven't already gone and subscribed to Beauty Box 5, just go to beautybox5.com. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you shortly for journal entry number 30. Bye. Mwah.